Hello?
Yeah, mate. I'll finish in about 2 or 3 minutes, and I live in Ringwood. I was wondering if I set my handlebars, can you dink me home?
Yeah. Just I'll just go and get those. You know, the stuff that the guys on the Tour de France have, that they've all been injected.
Steroids?
Yeah, I reckon that's the go, mate. You've done well.
Oh, thanks. I've done very well, and I've got an ass like a prisoner.
Yeah, I don't doubt that, but I don't need any assurance.
Nice one.
90 seconds. Are you going to sprint to the end?
You go hard for the last minute. Maybe. Yeah, there you go.
Seriously, all the glycogen's depleted.
Yeah, get on, but
Come on, feel the boom.
60 seconds.
come on, 200 watts continuous.
Alright.
Come on, 40 seconds. I just want to break 540.
Yeah, come on, you can do that.
Bring that average up.
I got over 540. Sure, 550, come on.
Yeah, 15 seconds.
Oh yeah,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey!
Time thing doesn't even go to 24 hours. It doesn't go, it stops at 50, 59. Fuck you.
Stop, Rory, what else?
Hey!
Thanks, guys.
How are you feeling?
Relieved. Relieved.
Well done.
Numb, a little numb, kind of hot.
Speech.
Yeah, a lot of different things, but mostly relieved that I'm off that bike and I get to go home and get you to cook me dinner and rub my buttocks. Thanks, dear. Thanks, guys. Thanks for